The renal discussion. This is what is known as the loop of Henle. So we'll discuss the loop of Henle and see how we can actually make progress on this. So loop of Henle, you can actually say is actually just a part of the nephron. Alright, it's part of the nephron structure, which is actually down. You have the ascending limb, you have the proximal convoluted tubule, then ascending limb, then loop of Henle, then as a thick ascending, alright, then distal convoluted tubule. So let's talk about the loop of Henle segment. Talk about everything we need to know about this segment. So it's actually a U-shaped portion of the kidneys. That's nephron in the kidneys. So its main role is to concentrate urine. How does it do this? It reabsorbs water and salt from the urine. So urine is just left with waste products alone. So structure of the loop of Henle, it has three segments. Have the thin descending limb, down is permeable to water but not solutes. Water leaves the filtrate by osmosis. Then we have the thin ascending limb, permeable to water, allows passive movement of ions. Then we have the thick ascending limb, alright, absorbs sodium, potassium, chlorine. Alright, so functions is the descending limb loses water, concentrating filtrates. The ascending limb pumps out ions, diluting the filtrate but increasing medullary osmolarity. The gradient allows the collecting duct to now reabsorb water efficiently, under the influence of antidiuretic hormone. So it actually contributes to urine concentration, helps to produce concentrated urine. And basically it usually does this when your body needs water to be reserved back. So if your body needs water to be reserved back in the system, this one comes in and basically acts. So clinical relevance, if you know the functions of loop of Henle very well, trying to understand how loop diuretics function will be very express for you. So drugs like furosemide, they act on the thin ascending limb, blocking the sodium, potassium, chlorine transport or chloride transport. So it usually prevents salt reabsorption. So that's what usually makes it that we take those drugs, a lot of fluid can be produced. You understand? Because it's inhibiting the action of the loop of Henle so that much of those fluids are actually put out from the body.